Baby. Baby Amber. Oh. You say hi. Hi. Hi, Lucy, Lucy. Hi. Baby Amber, hi. Hi. Hi, Baby Amber. Hi. Oo. Ganda naman ng Samsung.
এই আমাদের ছোট ভ্যান কিন্তু হইল না
Wow! Hi mo sila. Hi! Hi! Hi, Baby Amber. Baby Amber. Hi. Baby Amber, you say hi. Hi.
এই যে অনেকটা অনেকটা খারাপ কি করবে খারাপ
240. Big biggie there. Dad, ang ibig sabihin ng noise cancellation, halimbawa may kausap ka, yung back
Hi, welcome to my video. Ayan, so nandito kami sa Costco, Sydney, Australia, mga kapalangga. Ayan. So kasama ko si Baby Amber at si Mami Merdin at si Daddy Sean at si Wowo. Si Wowo, Marlon, nandun sa table. Man, gaganda ng mga tablet. Then cellphone here, and here is television. You know, mga digital TV. Mga kapalangga yung Costco nito. Hindi ka makakapasok dito kung hindi member. Kung hindi ka makakapamili dito kung hindi ka member ng Costco. So, ayan. Ayan, so member yung aking anak. Ayan, kaya nandito. Ako pwede pumasok kapag kasama na ang member. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Mommy, where? Where, Mommy? Mommy, where? Where are you, Mommy? Mommy, where are you? Bye-bye, you see, bye-bye. 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 Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And follow and subscribe. See you next video.